Hey everyone, I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video, I will show you how to connect your Ninjatrader account to Tradingview in 2026. So if you are interested in purchasing Tradingview Premium, you can just check out the link in the description. With this link, you are going to get up to 80% off and 1 month free deal. So if you are interested, make sure you check this out. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of products. This is going to open the chart of any of the symbols in front of you. You can also click on the option of the search icon here on the top. Then among the given symbols, you can click on any one of these in order to launch its chart. So once you see the chart panel, that is going to look something like this. Simply hover over to the bottom left and click on the option of trading panel. Now, as soon as you click on the option of trading panel, you are going to see all of the brokers that you can basically connect with TradingView. So in order to see the full list of the brokers, simply click on the option of see all brokers. Now, if NinjaTrader is available in your region, its icon will be visible over here. So as you can see, we have NinjaTrader available. When you click on this icon, it is going to show you this type of pop-up in front of you, where you just have to provide your login credentials. Like if you have a live account with NinjaTrader, simply provide your username and your password. If you want to create a demo account, you can provide your login credentials over here, then click on the option of connect. Now, as soon as you do this, you will be able to punch your orders in TradingView with the help of NinjaTrader. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more future trading tutorials. Thanks for watching.